Most beginners blow their deposits, and that's no accident. But if you're trading binary options and already realize that you won't last long without a clear system, this video is made just for you. I'll show you a tool that's built for stable performance over the long run, not just for a single lucky trade. In this video, we'll break down why this happens and exactly where beginners make their key mistakes. I'll show you the principle traders follow who stay in the market for the long haul and earn consistently, not just trade by trade. I'll also give you a tool that helps you make more balanced decisions, ones suited for stable long-term performance, rather than a single lucky trade. This video will be useful for both beginners and more experienced traders, so let's not waste any time and get straight into trading. You're watching the Arthur Trade channel. Before starting a trading session, I always recommend setting the chart to candlestick type. This is the most optimal chart type on this broker. For the interval, I've chosen 15-second candles. That's what we'll use for trading and technical analysis today. I only have $500 in my deposit, and the goal for this video is to add at least $1,000 to my account balance. I'll show you later which tool helps me pull that off, but for now, let's move on to picking currency pairs. We're trading in OTC mode, and I'm adding stable currency pairs with higher payout rates on this broker. Once we've added the currency pairs to favorites, we can now track the payout rates on these assets in real time. If the payout drops during the trading session, we'll switch to other currency pairs and trade those instead. I'm switching over to euro-dollar. Let's run a quick technical analysis on this asset. Right away, I'm marking the local price low with a horizontal line. You can clearly see that the price is currently in a downtrend here. A lot of traders would open a position here expecting further decline, but this strategy is based on trading with a technical analysis check using signals from an AI-powered bot. I'll share this discovery with you using my own example. I'll show you how I use it to earn consistently on this broker and cross-check my technical analysis with AI. This bot is completely free, and all the info about it is in the Telegram channel linked in the description. But for now, let's move on to setting up this tool. After launching it through the Telegram channel, in the trade parameters, we simply need to select the trading mode. Let's set up this tool. I'm switching to OTC mode. Next, I'm moving on to selecting our asset. We've already done a quick technical analysis on euro-dollar. I'm adding this currency pair to my bot. Now I'm switching to selecting the expiration time. We're trading on 15-second candles. There's a video about 5-second and 1-minute candles, as well as a video about Forex mode, both available in my playlists. Head over to my YouTube channel and check out this educational content. Now I'm hitting the signal generation button and carefully waiting for the bot's technical analysis. In just a few seconds, the bot runs the full technical analysis on this asset for us and then gives us a buy or sell signal. There's a buy signal with 66% confidence. I'm opening a position for an upward move. The price has touched this level more than twice before. Right now, upward momentum is dominating the market. Just a matter of seconds. We've got our first gain on the deposit. $154 added to the account. A perfect entry point. The bot's nailing its job here without any issues. It read the downtrend, spotted 2 touches on the local support level, picked up on the upcoming dominance of upward momentum, and that's how it gave us our first profit on the deposit. I'm not stopping here. I'm moving on to the next asset on my list, switching over to Euro-Ruble. Let me show you the full power of this bot. We'll open a position on Euro-Ruble without any technical analysis, just resetting the bot before trading. Euro-Ruble is on our screens now. I'm adding this currency pair to my tool. After adding the currency pair, don't forget to select the expiration time. Trade on 15-second candles. The key with this method is to open the position at the exact second the signal appears. Enter the signal and immediately hit the buy or sell button. I'm clicking generate and carefully waiting for the technical analysis from this bot. Payout on the asset is 92%. Let's add another $150 to our deposit. There's a buy signal. With 56% confidence, it's opening from a local support level towards a rise to a local resistance level on this asset. Just seconds remain. Upward impulses are dominating the market, so we're adding another $150 to our deposit. Without any issues, just following signals from this bot, we've already made $300 on our account. I'm not stopping here either. I'm switching over to the British pound dollar. Let's also open a position on the British pound dollar without technical analysis. I fully trust this bot. Since I know many traders are already trading with artificial intelligence, they just don't show it on their screens. Since there's an option to request a signal from your phone as well as any other personal device, be careful and trade on your own. I'm carefully waiting for this bot's technical analysis and getting a buy signal for our trade. With 50% confidence, the bot tells us that the last high will be broken. Earlier, the price was moving along an upward trend line. Upward impulses are starting to dominate the market. Payout on the asset is 92%. Let's add $150 to our deposit. And that's exactly what's happening. A sharp upward impulse gives us another gain. And now we've got almost $1,000 on our deposit for this trading session. I'm moving on to my other chosen assets now, switching to the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Let's also open a position on this asset without technical analysis. OTC mode, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen on screen. I'm adding this currency pair to my tool and requesting a signal for this pair. I don't forget to set the expiration time to 15 seconds either. Let me repeat again. The main thing with this method is to open with second precision timing based on this bot's signals. Waiting for the technical analysis. The bot analyzes this situation and gives us a buy signal for our trade in the lower range. After 2 corrective candles, it opens towards rising impulses. Upward movement will dominate the market, and that's exactly what happens. A sharp upward impulse. The bot handles the price movement here perfectly. Another sharp upward impulse comes through here too. Gives us another gain. And now we've got $1,200 on our deposit. I'm reloading these tools. Moving back to the euro dollar, we can see that the maximum payout is only on a couple of currency pairs. That's left, so we're trading on these assets. Euro dollar on screen. Let's make one more entry point here. Earlier, we did a bit of technical analysis here and determined the last minimum value. Let's request our signal here again and carefully wait for this bot's technical analysis. Earlier, the price here was moving along a downward trend line. But now, there's an upward impulse. The bot tells us this with 66% confidence. After a small correction on the market, opening with 66% confidence towards an increase, just seconds remain, and a sharp upward impulse gives us another boost to our deposit. I'm also reloading this tool, adding more funds to our deposit without any issues. Now I'm switching back to the Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. Let's also open a position on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen without technical analysis. And I'll say it again, I fully trust this tool since over 3 months of trading, I've made $30,000 with it. This is all completely legal, and I remind you that your broker doesn't prohibit trading with third-party tools. And now we have a sell signal. After sharp upward impulses, the price will make a correction here. The bot tells us this with 50% confidence. I'm expecting a sharp impulse toward the local minimum value any second now. The sharp impulse gives us another boost and the coveted $1,000 to our deposit. Without any issues, just following this bot's signals, I've added over $1,000 to my deposit, and all thanks to this bottom. All day today, I've been growing my deposit starting from just $100, added $3,500 to my deposit, and also grew $500 into over $1,000 on my deposit. All thanks to this bottom. I also remind you that this bot is completely free. By following the link to the Telegram channel in the description, you'll be able to trade with it as well. All of this is completely legal. There are no violations here. The broker doesn't prohibit trading with third-party tools, so feel free to trade with this bot and start earning with the Pocket Option Broker today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and leave a comment as well. I hope the method is clear to you. Open trades on different currency pairs with stable returns through the broker. Don't waste time on technical analysis, request signals, and enter trades to the exact second based on the signal from the data. Because while I wish you all successful trades, you were on the Arthur Trade channel. Bye everyone.